Garlic is widely used as a flavoring in cooking, but it has also been used as a medicine throughout ancient and modern history. It has been taken to prevent and treat a wide range of conditions and diseases. History. Garlic has been used all over the world for thousands of years. Records indicate that garlic was in use when the Gizq pyramids were built about 5,000 years ago. Richard S. Ravelin wrote in the Journal of Nutrition that the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, known today as the father of Western medicine, prescribed garlic for a wide range of conditions and illness. Hippocrates promoted the use of garlic for treating respiratory problems, parasites, poor digestion, and fatigue. The original Olympic athletes in ancient Greece were given garlic, possibly the earliest example of performance-enhancing agent used in sports. The original Olympic athletes in ancient Greece were given garlic, possibly the earliest example of performance-enhancing agent used in sports. From ancient Egypt, garlic spread to the advanced ancient civilizations of the Indus Valley, Pakistan, and Western India today. From there, it made its way to China. According to experts at Kew Gardens, England's Royal Botanical Centre of Excellence, the people of ancient India valued the therapeutic properties of garlic and also thought it to be an aphrodisiac. The upper classes avoided garlic because they despised its strong odor, while monks, widows, adolescents, and those who had taken up a vow or were fasting could not eat garlic because of its stimulant quality. Throughout history in the Middle East, East Asia, and Nepal, garlic has been used to treat bronchitis, hypertension, high blood pressure, tuberculosis, liver disorders, dysentery, flatulence, colic, intestinal worms, rheumatism, diabetes, and fevers. The French, Spanish, and Portuguese introduced garlic to the New World. Uses. Currently, garlic is widely used for several conditions linked to the blood system and heart, including atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, high cholesterol, heart attack, coronary heart disease, and hypertension. Garlic is also used today by most people for the prevention of lung cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer, rectal cancer, and colon cancer. Garlic has been part of the kitchen for centuries. This herb has curative and medicinal properties because of its antibacterial and antiseptic nature. The beneficial properties of garlic are because of a compound, allicin. It is rich in minerals like phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Vitamin C, K, folate, niacin, and thiamine also are found abundantly in garlic. In the next video, we will look at the health benefits of garlic. As always, stay dedicated because it is not going to happen overnight. Thanks for being with me today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. My name is Kukwa, and this is Kukwa's Inspiration. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye. As always, stay dedicated because it's not going to happen overnight. Thanks for making time with me today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. My name is Kukwa, and this is Kukwa's Inspiration. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.